The developer environment that I have set up for this course is I've got my editor here on the left-hand side, and the editor that I'm going to be using is Brackets. Now, of course, you're free to use whatever editor you want. I am going to be using some of the features within Brackets, primarily the live preview, which essentially lets me render out the page like this. And then whatever I type here on within the application, we can see that it's going to get rendered out here on the right-hand side. So this is Chrome browser. I've got that opened up as well. And within Chrome, they have developer tools, and developer tools gives you a console. It also lets you inspect all the elements. And we're going to use the console when we're developing out our JavaScript in order to communicate between our JavaScript and our output. So we are going to be making use of it within debugging and as we build out the application. You can open up developer tools, so it's available in any Chrome browser. You can hit the shortcut where you're typing in the /command, or you can just go into the toolbar here where you've got the three dots and open up more tools and then hit developer tools. Now there are some options here where you want to dock it, and as well as some additional options down here if you want to customize the look of it. Usually I dock it to the bottom so that I get the most out of the real estate that I have available when I'm recording the courses, but of course you can dock it or you can pop it out, whatever makes sense for you. And the good thing about it is if you want to type some JavaScript, then you can actually render out JavaScript directly within the console. So if we want to do some calculations or we want to try out something, you can see that it's going to render out that JavaScript and render out a response as well. So the editor that I'm using is Brackets. This is an open source editor available at Brackets.io. It's an Adobe product. It's free to use, open source, works across platforms, and is a really great resource. So if you are looking to try a new editor, or if you want to check out Brackets, it's available at Brackets.io. And again, if you already have an editor that you're comfortable with and that you enjoy using, then you can go ahead and stick to that one, as the core focus of this course is to write JavaScript. So once you're set up within your developer environment, you've got your editor open, you can type some code, save some files, you're ready to go on to the next lesson where we're going to start building out our HTML page. So that's coming up next.